Hey everyone, welcome back! Today I'm diving into XON Universe, a futuristic puzzle exploration game that's been getting a lot of buzz. If you love games that challenge your brain while pulling you into a mysterious world, this review is for you. What it is. XON Universe is a first-person puzzle adventure series inspired by classics like Myst. The main purpose of the game is to explore beautiful, mysterious environments, uncover secrets, and solve puzzles that gradually reveal the story behind the world. How it works. Once you start, you're dropped into an open, atmospheric environment with no dialogue or hand-holding. Instead, you interact with objects, discover hidden mechanisms, and solve puzzles that unlock new areas. The controls are simple, and the gameplay focuses on observation, logic, and exploration. Each chapter in the XON series expands the universe with new worlds, harder puzzles, and deeper lore, making it both immersive and challenging. Who it's for? This game is perfect for puzzle lovers, fans of exploration-based adventures, and players who enjoy a calm yet thought-provoking experience. If you prefer fast-paced action or heavy storytelling, it might not be for you. But if you love using your mind and exploring at your own pace, it's a solid choice. Pros: gorgeous, minimalist environments with relaxing sound design. Clever puzzles that reward patience and observation. No ads or distractions, it's all about pure gameplay. Affordable price compared to many similar puzzle games. Cons: lack of guidance can be frustrating for players who prefer clear instructions. The story is subtle, so some might find it too vague or abstract. Gameplay can feel slow if you're not into puzzle-heavy exploration. Recommendation. So, here's my recommendation. If you enjoy atmospheric puzzle adventures and want a game that really makes you think, XON Universe is absolutely worth checking out. It's not for everyone, but for fans of the genre, it's a hidden gem. And that's my review of XON Universe. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest reviews.